Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's a girl Mary back with another interesting video. I can't recall the last time I did a vlog while cooking or doing anything in the kitchen, but today I decided to do something interesting. I hope you're going to find this exciting. So the last time I baked a cake, I have been using this whisk since I started baking, but unfortunately ishazeeka. Let me just turn this light well. Unfortunately ishazeeka, and these whisks whatever are coming out, you see, this can't help me anymore. It's already old and I thought of replacing it, but unfortunately again I could not afford the electric one. It is very expensive. It costs 3500, but there is one for 15. But now I budgeted and then I was like, nikibuy hii ya 15 inaweza kuja iharibike, and I don't know. I have no idea how it works and things of that sort. So I decided to try something new. I have never seen anybody using this whisk. Let me just show you. This one, I was using this one. This is the old one and imeharibika, but I have just gone to the supermarket and picked this one. I have never seen anybody using this. I have never seen anybody advertising this or even being sold in those baking, what are they called, in those baking shops, the one which supplies us with materials. I have no idea why, but now when I went to the supermarket, I found this one, and I thought it was interesting to come and try it. So basically in this video I'll be trying this whisk and tell you whether I would recommend you to use it. This is not a paid video or something of that sort, but I just want to try it nione vile ina work. But I don't know how long this one can serve me or can serve anybody who is using it, because sijawahi reviews za hii ndo nilikuwa najua inaweza serve someone for long, but unfortunately it has disappointed me. I don't know, maybe because I've been using it so much, or I don't know, I have no idea, but I can't use it anymore because the more I whisk, the more hizi vitu zinatoka, so I have to hold it here, which is so uncomfortable. It's not giving. So I just want to try this and see how it works for me. Kama itakuwa poa, kama haitanisumbua, I'll give it a tick, but I'll also track the duration of how long it will serve me and maybe tell you in another video later. So I'm going to be baking right away. I want to mix my ginger. I want to mix the margarine and sugar and see kama ita work vizuri. If it works well and good. So let's get into the video. This is the weighing scale that I usually use. So I'll be measuring my margarine and sugar, then niweke kwa my basin. This is the basin that I use, and try to whisk and see how my new tool works. I hope it works out well. I have cleaned it and mixed my margarine and sugar. So let's see how this goes. Oh my god, let's go. What? Oh, I have to do it fast. Okay. I just realized that it can only work kama the paste ni mingi. It doesn't need a thick paste, it needs something light. The moment it clogs in between the spaces, that's it. It's not functioning vizuri. And I also realized that inataka a lot of energy, which I didn't know. Ilikuwa tuna press naona inasonga vizuri, but I don't know, maybe my paste it's big, as in it is not used in such pastes, or I don't know. And again, when you press and then you leave it, it's spreading like uku kando. It's not working the way I thought itawaka kwa mind, even though aiko that effective. It's effective but it will take time. You'll have to do it like more as compared to using the whisk, using the whisk, but because I have no choice, I have to keep on using it for the time being. And see whether I'll just purchase another whisk yenye iko like, si yenye iko na nini ya plastic, another whisk yenye iko na chuma kama hii, or rather I'll buy the electric one. Sometimes these baking tools can be so disappointing, especially if you have an urgent order. But anyway, I'll see what I'll do, but it has not worked the way I thought in my mind. So this one is okay. When I compare the two tools, kinda this one is better than this. But kama unataka kutumia hii, it's still okay. It's still fine. It works, but not that perfectly. Yeah. So thanks for watching. Goodbye.